Have you ever wondered how a dream born in poverty and hardship becomes reality? Can an ordinary girl fulfill her dream of becoming a doctor while facing a big city and difficult circumstances? These questions were a part of Neeti's life. Amid poverty, struggle, and society's constant taunts, she not only lived her dream but proved through her hard work and determination that when your heart is full of passion, no obstacle can stop you. Today, let's hear Neeti's inspiring journey, a journey from darkness to light. Neeti was a girl from a small town. Her dream was to become a doctor and treat the poor for free. But this dream was a challenge against the reality of her tough life. Her family's financial situation was extremely weak. Her father ran a small grocery shop, and even meeting daily expenses was difficult. Neeti was the eldest of 3 siblings. Her mother always told her, as long as you keep dreaming, hope stays alive. To achieve your dreams, you must work hard. These words stayed in Neeti's heart forever. When Neeti was just 12 years old, her mother fell seriously ill. The family had no money for proper treatment, and her mother passed away. This tragedy shook Neeti deeply, but that very day she made a promise to herself. She would become a doctor so that no one would lose their loved ones due to lack of treatment. Neeti was an excellent student. She studied in a government school and always topped her class. But her home situation forced her to work at her father's shop after school. She spent the entire day at the shop and studied at night. Many times she didn't even have money to buy books. Still, she never gave up. She borrowed old books from the library and sought help from her teachers. After scoring well in 12th grade, Neeti began preparing for the medical entrance exam. She didn't have money for coaching, so she borrowed old notes and studied on her own. Her day was scheduled to the minute. Waking up early to study, helping her father at the shop, and studying again late into the night. Whenever she felt tired, she remembered her mother's words. After months of hard work, Neeti performed brilliantly in the medical entrance exam. She ranked among the top 100 students in the country. This was her first big step forward. Her entire town celebrated her success. But her journey wasn't over yet. She got admission to a medical college, but they didn't have money for the fees. Her father mortgaged their shop and said, "This is for your future. Work hard and never give up." Medical college life was tough. Between classes and practicals, she had to work part-time. Many days she didn't even have money for food. But every hardship made her stronger. In her 3rd year, her father fell sick. She spent all her savings on his treatment, but he didn't survive. Losing her father broke her completely, but she remembered his last wish. "Neeti, one day you will become a doctor and help people. That will be my greatest happiness." His words gave her strength. She focused completely on her studies and left no stone unturned. After years of dedication and struggle, Neeti completed her MBBS. But her true dream was still waiting. She returned to her town and opened a small clinic where she treated poor patients for free. In the beginning, people didn't take her seriously, but slowly her honesty, hard work, and compassion earned people's trust. She treated her patients like family. Her kindness spread far and wide. Eventually, she expanded her clinic into a small hospital. She built a team of doctors willing to work for the underprivileged. Her hospital not only provided treatment, but also ran educational programs for children and health awareness campaigns for women. Her work earned recognition across the state, and the government also supported her mission. Neeti became an inspiration for the children of her town. She proved that no matter how big the dream, if you are willing to work hard, nothing can stop you. She even opened a library and a school so that no child would have to give up their dreams because of poverty. Neeti's story teaches us that life will bring many challenges, but strong determination can overcome every obstacle. Failures don't weaken us, they make us stronger. Remember, many people dream, but only the courageous turn dreams into history. If you liked this story, don't forget to share, and subscribe. See you in the next video with another inspiring story. Thank you.